Welcome back. Back now in education news. The coronavirus pandemic makes education more complicated for parents and their children. But what about teachers? We turn now to 17's Moses Small, who investigated the ways teachers are working through a chaotic school year.
How do you navigate school when your classroom could spark the next outbreak of COVID-19? Educators don't always agree on the answer. So I spoke to two educators in Kern County navigating the strangest school year they've ever seen. Teachers in Kern County are adapting to distance learning. Stacy Fuentes teaches in a local public school. She says she's willing to teach in-person classes as soon as possible, even if that means fighting to stay healthy.
Think about wartime. There are people who have to go to the front line on behalf of the safety and the benefits of others.
She wants parents to consider sending their children to school if they think it's safe.
I will wear a mask and gloves and shield, whatever anybody wants me to wear. So I'm ready to work with kids in person, if parents were ready to send them.
Fuentes says some students struggle with distance learning. She says last spring, as many as 11% of students in South High School reported they didn't have internet at home.
I will definitely say that distance learning has magnified the gaps that we've always known were out there.
This year, Kern County is providing free devices and internet hotspots for students who can't afford them. Krista Herrera works as an administrator for Kern Public Schools. She also has a preschooler taking online classes.
His preschool's open, but he's really home not necessarily because I'm as concerned about his own health, but I'm concerned that he could contract something and then give it to us, or we could give it to my grandparents.
But she knows that may not work for every family.
This situation is working for my child because I've been able to get help. I have a parent at home supporting her, and I have a babysitter supporting my other child, and that's an opportunity that I have that some families don't have.
Herrera and Fuentes say their highest priority is each student's health and education.
Right now, I think that kids need to know that they're cared for, that there's a community out there for them and all of their needs, not just academic needs.
The superintendent's office says there are 9,500 teachers in Kern County, and all of them are going to have to learn how to tackle a school year unlike any they've ever seen. In studio, Moses Small, 17 News.